Get tall. Yeah. And now stop. Good. Yeah. Yes. How did that feel? Wow. So that's the thing. When you get a tape, now we need to reinforce that. Good. I want to see a couple turns. Okay, tall. And then, yeah, there you go. And let the skis do the work. Don't try and force the turn. Okay, good. And stop. Good. Keep going. Right around me. A nice, easy, medium rating. Beautiful. Stay forward. That was excellent. Very good on the feet. Okay, elbows out in front too. Got to keep those elbows out in front. Yeah, you're doing this. Oh yeah! Woo! Very good. Very good. Oh man, I love it when it all comes together. Okay, here I am with Taylor Swift and Beverly. Yeah, celebrity instructor. Okay, hey, thank you so much. That was a lot of fun. I hope you you got a lot of value out of it. I can tell you, you went from a level 3 to a solid level 4. So yeah. Hi, I'm Jim.